Alright guys, this video is going to be pretty quick because it's just a brief overview on solving exponential equations. So, you should have seen this on Pearson. Hopefully that makes sense for you. Let me know if it does not. But when we want to figure out what the variable would be here, we really just want to rewrite these because 743 has a form that is in the base of 7. And actually 7s get very large very quick because 343 is actually only 7 to the third power. So that leaves me with x being equal to 3. For b, remember that negative exponents will flip our base. So we're really thinking for what exponent would turn 6 into 216, and then we'll just use that exponent negative. So think about that, try to figure this out. Alright, so actually it comes out that 6 to the third power is 216. So that then tells me that 6 to the negative third would be our 1 over 216. So that leaves me with x being equal to negative 3. For c here, we again have a fraction. So you want to think about 1 over 1024. You have to think about that would be 2 to the what power? Well, 2 actually to the 10th power is 1024, so we make it negative 10 since it's flipped, or the reciprocal. So that then tells me that 2 to the negative 10th is what is equal to 2 to the x plus 4. So then I can say that negative 10 is equal to x plus 4. Solve the equation, subtracting 4 on each side, and we get that x is equal to negative 14. Try to solve 1 and 2 on your own to make sure that you're solid on these skills. Pause the video and take care of that. Alright, so looking here at number 1, we're saying 9 to the something power equals 729. It just so happens to be that 729 is 9 to the third power. So that leaves me with x being equal to 3. Over here, 125 is 5 to the third power, but the thing is that now makes x plus 1 equal to 3, which means that x then would be equal to 2. Sorry about right over here, that ended up written weird for a moment. So now we want to solve a real world exponential function. So we have this function, f of x equals 6. So we have f of x equals 6 to the x plus 1, and this models a fly population. We want to know when the fly population might be 1,296. Sorry, I'll get rid of that flashing bar. So we set this up. So now what we know is we're looking for 1,296 in the base of 6. So go ahead and figure out what base of 6, what power takes us to 1,296. Alright, so we find out that 6 to the 4th is 1,296, so we set that equal to 6 to the x plus 1, which means that 4 is equal to x plus 1, so x is 3 days, so they need to get on this fly population rather quickly if that number is a problem for them. So pause the video now, go ahead, set up and solve number 4 on your own. Alright, so we set this up, replacing our f of x with 81. We see that 3 to the 4th is 81, so we can match our bases. 4 would then equal x plus 2, and what plus 2 equals 4? That would be 2. So this will be 2 years that it will take them to get to that point. That is all I have for you on 5.5. So please make sure you worked through the Pearson module, tried your practice, got that completed, and make sure that you're going to be ready for the test. Please let me know if you're having any issues. Call, text, email, Schoology, message me, whatever. I will figure out a way to help you. Thank you. Have a great day.